Welcome. If you want to get PUBG Mobile on your smartphone without the Google services, in this video I'm going to show you how we can get it in the really easy way. So the first thing is that we have to get the second smartphone with the Play Store, and also we have to download this application right here. So I'm going to show you that the PUBG is right here, and also we have to get the phone clone application to transfer data. When you got the second smartphone as a Huawei, right here we got the Huawei P30 Pro. This application will be here as a default, right? So we don't have to download it, but if you're using Xiaomi, Samsung or any other smartphone, you have to get it from the Play Store. And right now, just to start it, you have to open both apps on the smartphones, so phone clone. In this case, on the left side we got Huawei P30 Pro Plus. Click here, this is the old phone and the new phone on your Huawei smartphone. Right here you have to select the old phone type, and you can connect in two ways. You can scan the QR code, and also you can input this password manually. So just pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, and if you do, just pick the frame into the QR code and just let it scan. Right now when they are connecting, we have to wait. And when we are here, we have to unselect all stuff, scroll down, select apps and then data. And right now just go for the PUBG. It will be right here, so select, click OK, transfer, input your log method if you got it, and in a few moments it will be finished. Click right here OK. Click finished. Okay, and right now we can try to open our PUBG Mobile. As you can see, we have to grant the permission to our storage, and as you can see, this application is working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.